Why are you here?
I can be here because a woman gives me a card.
Oh yeah? That happened to me too.
Yes.
Here you will play several challenges to win the 271 trillion prize.
Oh my god. Oh my god. 271.
Which was completed in 5 minutes.
Okay.
The time is over.
Yay! I answered the final, and my last enemy is player 32. In the previous challenge, I got a very easy question. That is, what is the definition of analytical exposition text? Give example of topic discussed in the text. Analytical exposition text is a type of text that aims to explain an opinion or argument about something in a logical way. This text focuses on in-depth analysis and explanation of the topic at hand, as well as giving the author's opinion on the topic. Examples of topics that are often raised in this text are social, political, environmental health, or educational issues. The writer might support or oppose the topic, depending on the writer's personal views and goals. Okay, wait for me in the final.
Now I will explain the question given in the previous challenge, but unfortunately I was shot dead. So I got a question about the generic structure of analytical exposition text. And here we got so how many points of the text exposition analytical text? One is the benefit of early childhood education. The one is title, and two is early childhood until the implementation is introduction. And firstly, until learning potential is argument. So for this is argument. And the last is conclusion. Conclusion we got in last paragraph is conclusion.
Hello guys, here I'm player number 30 will explain about the question in the previous challenge. So the question is, below are the social function of analytical exposition text except A. To persuade the audience, B. To discuss and evaluate issue critically, C. To influence opinions and attitudes, D. To raise awareness about a specific issue, and E. To entertain the reader. So here I have to find which one is not the social function of analytical exposition text. The answer is E. To entertain the reader, because it is a social function of narrative text. So the social function of analytical exposition is the rest of it, which is to persuade the audience, to discuss and evaluate issue critically, to influence opinions and attitudes, And lastly, to raise awareness about a specific issue.
Hello! We will explain what the language features of analytical exposition text.
Language features of analytical exposition text are the
The first is simple present tense.
the second, relational process,
The third, the mental process.
and fourth, material process.
And the last, internal conjunction.
And that's
Language features of analytical exposition text. Hello, I as a saleswoman will give an example of analytical exposition text. Banning cars in the city. Cars should be banned in the city. As we all know, cars create pollution and cause a lot of road deaths and other accidents. Firstly, cars, as we all know, contribute to most of the pollution in the world. Cars emit a deadly gas that causes illnesses such as bronchitis, lung cancer, and triggers of asthma. Some of these illnesses are so bad that people can die from them. Secondly, the city is very busy. Pedestrians wander everywhere and cars commonly hit pedestrians in the city, which cause them to die. Cars today are our road's biggest killers. Thirdly, cars are very noisy. If you live in the city, you might find it hard to sleep at night or concentrate on your homework, and especially talk to someone. In conclusion, cars should be banned from the city for the reason listed.
And me playing among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other